All right, this is Seamless AI. What I'm doing right now is I'm looking for people who are searching specific key terms. This is called intent search. So what it did is it brought up all of these companies who have very strong match strength to these key terms. So I'm selecting a few of these companies that I can then dive into and find contacts at that company. So you just hit find selected, and then you get thousands of people from these companies. So you need to really filter it down to your prospect. All right. So I'm going to select all of these and hit, first I have to make a list. That way, once I hit find selected, all of these contacts will be saved to this list. So go ahead and create that. Then I'll hit find selected. You'll see it's researching. It comes up with their email addresses, phone numbers, physical address. It also comes up with all of their social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. I also have mine connected to my CRM, so if I wanted to add them to that, I could as well. So now I'm just going to download the list, and I'll show you how to import it into prospecting next.